What are you doing here? I hear you, Laser. Mama wants a peanut. Can I give her a peanut first? Did you find the peanut butter? I got a big old... I got a pecan for Mama here, if I can bust it open enough. I hear you, Laser. That's so nice that you come over like that and see me. I so enjoy your company, Laser. Thank you so much for coming, buddy. Did you get enough to eat today? Huh? Is anybody interested in the peanut butter? Mama, you want a peanut? I must have lost my mama. Laser's so interesting to me. You want a peanut, Mama? That's a little kit. Here's a mama. Here you go, Mama. Here you go. Here you go. Laser! You're so cool, Laser. You gonna let me have it? It's so nice to have him doing that stuff while I'm feeding the squirrels. It gives me something else to do. Oh, look at that. Shut, did I miss it? We have a bird giving a squirrel a hard time over a peanut. I can't follow him, I was too close. What are you doing, Laser? Look at him. Look at him. Laser! There's no way to behave. I love Laser. He's been here about a week or so. Comes every morning now and starts that lasering crap. Let me see if I can walk over to him. He is chasing the cardinals away from the food. Nice guy. They can come out back if they really want them. Laser! What are you doing, Laser? Let me see if I can find him. Oh, he did a flutter. Laser! It's so nice to see you. I like when you do that. Can I get closer, Laser? Nope. Didn't go too far, did he? You see him anywhere? Let's sneak over this way to get to the front of him. Laser! Did you call the other ones over? I think that's what he's doing. Give it a big call and get the other ones to come over. Hey, there's a peanut up here for somebody. They eat peanuts. Gotta buy a lot of peanuts. Laser! Is that? It's a horn, it's a laser, it's a flutter. Listen to him. What are you doing up there? Are you mad? Gonna get as close as he'll let me. Laser! He said, not any closer, buddy. That one up there is a, oh, that's why it's here. That is a chick. See, it's clicking. I don't think it's learned all the calls yet. But that is a chick. I'm going to leave him alone. See, that's what I don't get. That chick, oh, the chicks all look alike. I'm not guessing anymore. Big blackbirds, guys and gals, big blackbirds and chicks. I'm going to shut him off. Early morning, he started this morning. Oh, I might have a contender for a peanut and I got to go get some. Hang on, let me pause.